Hello, and now let's talk about margin and padding. So let's see what is the difference between the two and let's explore. Next thing which we are going to learn about is the margins and paddings. All right, have the title over here. Okay, so once you have done this, the next thing which you're going to do over here is then paddings. All right, so let me start with the body over here, just like this. All right, so in the body I have the heading 1 and I'm going to say I love my country. All right, and that's what I'm going to write it over here. Now what I want is I want to do some styling over here. And how do I do it? I want to make the header colorful. So as I told you, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go over here, and then once you have written it over here, the next thing which you will do is to put H1 for this. All right, now if I say the background, not the background actually, the background color, and maybe I'll say aqua. Okay, so this is what it is. Now when I say margin, so margin means the distance from here. All right, so what exactly I will do over here is I'm going to write say margin, and then I have to give from where, like from left. If I'm talking about, suppose you say 25 pixels. All right, so see here it shifted. Suppose I'll change this to say 100. See, the difference is here. All right, okay, so now when I'm saying 100 pixels, it is over here. Now I'm just taking it 10 pixels. All right, now suppose if I want to say padding, so padding is actually, this is like left padding, and when I'm talking from here, if I say 10 pixel, okay, so you'll see from here the gap, it should be inside. Suppose if I say tell me 100, can you see it shifted here? The blue line then shifted this one. So basically the point which I'm trying to tell you over here is this difference is basically your what do you say, the margin, and this difference is your padding. This is the difference between padding and margin. Same way you can apply like this also, like margin right, and you're going to take it say 25 pixels. So here it is, or maybe I'll make it little more so that it is clearly visible to you. So like this, see, from here it came. I want to change the padding from this side. Yes, you can do that. Here you can say padding top if I say, and if I say 50 pixel. So see, this is the difference here. Okay, if I say padding bottom, if I say 50 pixels, then see from down also this is like this. Okay, suppose if I say margin, clear to you? Okay, see, the difference is 300. Okay, if I say 150, it is the difference. Got it? So the difference between margin and padding is this. Basically this is specifically known as the margin from left, from here, from down, and whatever inside the green, inside the aqua color is top, down, left, right, this is your padding. So this is the basic difference between margin and padding. So I hope you've liked this video. See, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.